What's going on, guys? Ron Parita here from Techno Buffalo, and the world of hi-fi audio is one that is very intimidating and very expensive, but it has been one that has interested me very recently. So today I wanted to bring you guys a video covering a couple hi-fi audio products and what the best way might be to upgrade from your standard audio setup to get higher quality sound and music. But before we get to any of the products, the first thing you're going to want to address is the source of your music. So if you're a video maker or a music maker or music producer or something, you're making your own stuff, you don't have to worry about this. You're working with raw, high quality files already. But if, like the most of us, you're consuming music, you want to use a service like Tidal or something where you can stream hi-fi music. There are other ways to get it, but Tidal is the easiest and the most accessible way. You just pay the membership, download the app, and you're pretty good to go. Once you have that high quality music source, the first product I want to talk about is the Wu Audio WA7 Fireflies. The general idea here is that you have higher quality components with the DAC and the amp as well. A DAC is a digital to analog converter. You're going to find them in pretty much all of your devices that output sound, every device that outputs sound. It converts that digital musical file into an analog waveform that you can actually listen to. So when you go with things like the WA7, you're getting much higher quality components that do a much better job of that conversion, giving you better separation in the sound, giving you a clearer sound profile rather than a compressed, muddled file. The characteristic of these specific vacuum tube amps on the WA7 are going to give you a bit of a warmer sound, similar to the effect you kind of get with vinyl that people like, slightly warmer acoustic feeling and tone and sound profile. And the last two things I like about the WA7 are that it works with one cable, single USB to plug in. You have other plug-in options like the RCA input and others, but the USB was the simplest, cleanest for me, and how good it looks on your desk. This is an incredibly well-designed piece of hardware, and it doesn't interfere at all with my desk setup visually from an aesthetic point of view. Once you've outputted your hi-fi sound through your WA7, you're going to need either speakers or headphones to play through. The headphones I want to recommend for this video are the Sennheiser HD650s. These are tried and true, have been around the market forever, and have been widely regarded to as some of the best headphones you can get under $1,000. They are open back headphones, so if you're not into open back and having the ambient sound mixed in, don't get these. But for me, they're much more comfortable over long periods because you get better air ventilation, so my ears aren't sweating like crazy. The headphones themselves are very comfortable, have an incredibly wide frequency response, so you're going to get the lows of lows and the highs of highs. And if you want a slight alternative, you can check out the Sennheiser HD6XX. These were a pair of headphones that Sennheiser did with Mass Drop. These were limited release only, but they were the exact same internals as the HD650s, cheaper, and they were slightly redesigned. So if you can get a hold of those, good for you. Those might be a great option as well. If carrying around the WA7 isn't really an option for you, which it shouldn't be, it's not portable at all, you're going to want to get a portable hi-fi audio player. Some of them aren't so portable, but the one we found that we liked was a very portable one. It's the Ashland Kern AK70. So right out the gate, this product is very, very well designed, very well built, very solid feeling in the hand, has a high quality DAC and a high quality amp, and it's going to really help step up your game if you were listening to music on your phone or something like that before. One of the downsides is it doesn't come with something like Android built in, so getting hi-fi music onto your device is going to be a little bit harder. You can't just download the Tidal app and just stream from it or go offline. You're going to have to find a workaround. But once you do that, this device is fantastic for on-the-go, high-quality listening. And so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Those are sort of rough overviews of all three of these products. They're all very, very good, tried, true, and tested over years. If you want to see a more in-depth look from us into any of these specific products or into hi-fi audio in general, into how some of the technicalities work and what makes a DAC good, what makes an amp good, and all that good stuff, let us know in the comments down below and we'll do a more in-depth video. I'm Ron Parita. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more tech content coverage like this. Thank you for watching.